Remember this van? Probably not, because they all look like this. This should ring some bells.
All black and new though? Yeah, after getting all that oily. Maybe not. Maybe.
It's a little gravy in there.
Yep, that's what I anticipated.
Well, it's the van we saved from its gravy nightmare. In the end, it turned out to just be an improperly sealed, improperly installed, whatever you want to call it. It was a bad oil cooler. Fast forward to about 6 months ago when it got a new owner, and that new owner has done a lot to this van to transform it from a dingy white FedEx van into a beautiful camper for him and his wife to travel across the states in. Ryan gave the van an extensive visual overhaul, including even painting it himself. Orange Mario Kart is now khaki.
You just open up and it's got magnets on it, and you just throw it right on there.
Nice.
Oh yeah.
Magnets up there. And
Covers it up, total dark. That's excellent.
so we got 2 of those, and then Hailey built 2 for the back windows that were a lot easier because you can just kind of shove them in those
One's
holes.
kind of in there, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, I
Yep,
put it in there to block the sun.
USB chargers in the shelving.
Yeah.
Nice.
And an AC an AC outlet for the computers. That's what the bottom shelf I built to fit our 2 laptops so we can store them there.
Oh yeah, see how they kind of lean against the bed there. Nice. Yeah, that works.
Yep. And
Very
then
cool.
a mini shelf on top for the phone. We built our custom Lagoon table for a lot less than a Lagoon mount.
Yeah.
I knew I was gonna figure that one out from the start because I looked up a Lagoon table and I was like, are you serious?
Right. I was gonna build some like that too, and then I found them on AliExpress.
Yep.
For $110 a piece. I said, I'll try 2.
Yeah.
If they work out.
They're like $250.
Really?
Yeah, some of them are like $600-700 for the really good
It
ones.
goes up from there. It's crazy.
Wow.
And the cheaper ones wobble.
Ours is galvanized pipe. It's not gonna move.
Right, that one's
It's
not gonna
sturdy.
wobble. That's
And
good.
it doesn't do quite as much as the Lagoon because the Lagoon you can drop and lower the table and slide it. But I mean that one swings, so you can swing
Yep.
it out of the way and you can swing it over to you. So I don't really
Move
see.
it this. Oop. Move it
I don't
this
really
way.
see
Move it
too
that
much
way.
more that you gotta do.
Oh, there we go. That's the adjustment I was looking for.
Yeah, you gotta rotate it to swing it, but
It's a little tight,
it's pretty simple.
but other than that, better a little tight than too loose.
Also, we haven't made our adjustments yet since we're on day 1.
Yeah.
Right.
We'll figure that out as
Looking
we go.
good.
She's mostly ready.
Little house plants. Are those the kind that don't need light?
Yeah, they're fake. I don't know if he did it or someone else, but the prop in there, it works perfectly.
Yeah.
Nice.
And that whole table took like 20 minutes. I
Yeah.
just had to get the angle right on that piece of wood, and that was pretty much it. The shoe storage down there. Gotta copy that.
I was wondering what was under there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Or make that where you put your bumper sticker collection.
That too.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I was here, Colorado. And just overlap them.
That's not a bad idea.
My family was asking where we were putting bumper stickers. I was like, I don't know. Not on the outside.
Not on the bumper, I'll tell you that. Yeah.
Show us your shoe cabinet.
A little extra space there.
Yeah, gets the job done.
And we got our turf. I like our turf on the step.
I like that too. That turf's cool.
Honestly,
Does a
that
better
shoe
job.
storage compartment was probably more work than it's worth. Because I don't know if Dalton texted you guys, but he called me the other day. He said
Oh man.
they walked outside and his friend pulled on the sliding door when it was snowing. The sliding door just fell off.
What?
He said it literally fell off, and he was just standing there, and it was dumping snow, and he was just like, "Are you serious?"
That's crazy.
So he said it's so cold right now that he just jerry-rigged it back on, and I was like, "Well, I have," because remember I bought that mechanism just for the
Yeah.
nut,
Yeah.
because it was only $20. So I was,
Ryan brought the van to us to borrow some tools and get some advice and consultation before he goes out on his big road trip. Thanks for letting us see this van again before you head out on the road.